Okay, Lindsay's up, and this is the second inning. Oh, she's swinging a little high. Okay, Lindsay, watch that ball. You can do it. Let's see if I can show everyone out here. Got a runner on first. And here we go. Lindsay's getting ready. Oh, there's the ball. Okay, good eye.
Here's the bell. You got a runner on first there. You want to cover second, okay?
You ready? Nowhere else tries to run on you.
Okay, she's got 2 balls and a strike. All right, Lindsay, good eye.
Nice throw, Noel. Way to be, Jenny. Way to be.
Okay. All right, she's 3-1. All right, Lance. Keep your eye on the ball. Lindsay's got her new helmet on there. Okay.
Okay, Jen. You ready, honey?
Okay. All right, Lance, it's okay. Keep your eye on it. You can do it. Keep your eye on it. There you go. All right. All right, good swing. Here she goes. There you go. Go, go, run, run, run. Nice, nice, nice wheels. All right. Yeah. All right. Good job, Lindsay. All right. All right. Let's see if she gets in. There she goes to second. She's stealing second. There she is. Oh. There's 2 Lindsays on the field, one catching and one running, and so Lindsay keeps getting confused, our Lindsay does, who they're talking to. Alright, here we go. See if she can get brought in. Alright. See if she can get off to third. Go, Lindsay! There we go. Lindsay's on third. She's in scoring position. All right, she's 3-1. Lindsay is in scoring position. Lindsay let off a little bit there.
out there. Be ready, Jen.
There he goes. Lindsay's going to score. Yeah! All right.